Hello everyone, I'm your woman's doc Manglo, Dr. Sharon Rasquinha. Today, my talk is for the young girls who come to me asking those frequent doubts about vaginal discharge and just to clear some of them which I can. First is about vaginal discharge. Yes, is vaginal discharge normal? Yes, it is normal. It is normal to have vaginal discharge, just like your mouth keeps your saliva keeps your mouth like clean and always. Similar way, you need to have your vaginal discharge because this vaginal discharge helps to clean the old cells of your vagina. So it keeps that area moist and clean. But during a menstrual cycle, that is during a month, just after your menses or periods, you have usually the dry days. And immediately during your mid-cycle, you have a little excessive discharge, which is clear watery discharge. Now, if you take that discharge in your hand and put it, it goes up till here. It resembles something like an egg white, which is absolutely normal. This is an indication that you're ovulating or it's a time of ovulation. So after your ovulation, you have a discharge which is usually white, cream color, a little thick discharge. So this discharge is again normal, which is supposed to be there, and immediately after this discharge, that's your body is getting ready for your next menstrual cycle. Now your discharge is called abnormal when it is like when the color is grayish in color, or like cotton cheesy type material, or something like curdy white discharge, when it is greenish yellow, when it is foul smelling or fishy odor, or which causes itching, then definitely it is abnormal and you need to meet your gynecologist immediately. Second, frequently asked question, can I use a panty liner? Yes, you can, because you get those small liners which are now the biodegradable ones are also available, which is environment friendly. You can use that too. Maybe when you have an excessive discharge those days, you can use it normal. It doesn't cause any harm. But if you frequently use it, like once after your periods and again you use discharge, it definitely causes chafing of your skin. Because your area, the vaginal area, your skin is very delicate. So if you constantly keep using, the skin gets eroded. So try to avoid using it on a regular basis. Only when you feel that the discharge is more and it is like really disturbing you and it stains your undergarments, only then you can use it. We get in the market, which is available. I would definitely not recommend to use this wash which is available in the market like on a frequent basis or on a daily basis. You don't have to use them, because frequent using will definitely imbalance, cause damage to that area, the skin. It is a very delicate area. We always compare the area, the vaginal area and that area, to that of your lips. Your lips are so soft and very moist. So the similar way your vagina, the vulval area is quite delicate. You don't have to frequently use those things. But yes, you definitely have to clean that area. You can use mild soaps, not harsh ones or perfumed soaps. Mild soaps, you just have to clean it with lukewarm water or normal water. Just clean that area at least once a day. You don't have to insert your finger inside to clean it with soap or any of those washes, because it definitely causes simply increasing the chances of infection. You don't have to clean that area, that is the vagina is a tract and inside is your cervix. So you don't have to clean that area. Do we clean our lungs and the stomach? No, it gets cleaned by itself. Similarly, you don't have to clean that area, it cleans on its own. Only thing, the outside area, the vulva, that is that V-shaped area and that area, only that you need to clean it. Again, how frequently should I use those washes? Maybe once a week, maybe, or twice a week, or maybe less than that. Don't have to use it frequently, because that doesn't in any way improve the hygiene of your vaginal area. After you use the restroom, definitely wash it with normal water. You can use a tissue or your whatever cloth you have, or even the rolls that are there, the bathroom rolls. You can just dab that area. Do not rub it like very harshly. And when you rub it gently, rub it from front to back. Never rub it or never wipe the area from back to front, because back is your anal area where there are a lot of germs. So once you wipe it from back to front, you're bringing all the germs into the vaginal area and your urethra. Urethra is an area where your urine passes. So in women we have shorter urethra, so therefore all the germs can enter easily, and that is the source of frequent urinary infections. So never wipe the area from back to front, only front to back. Okay, that is one. Next, what kind of undergarments can I use? That is another question asked. Yes, I would always say cotton so laced so well that it helps to breathe out your sweat, and they're so absorbent, unlike your synthetic materials like the spandex that you get, or any of those materials. They are not so good. Okay, you can use them once in a while, maybe if you're wearing a very tight fitting clothes and you want to use them, or the tummy tuckers and all that, fine, once in a while it's okay. But then when you use them, you do not, especially those tummy tuckers and those spandex materials, when you use, they're so tight that you do not want to remove it frequently and do not want to use the washroom, because it's like so tightly fit that you do not want to use the washroom, and that can cause a source of infection, and urinary tract infections are so common because of that. So use it only once in a while, and if you are using it, use the washroom liberally. Go to the toilet, use your washroom, clean the area, and then come back. Okay, now preferably even during your workouts, use only cotton materials, because the other materials, that area is very dark, and those materials don't absorb the sweat there, and it will be a source of infection. Especially it will be a breeding site for infections, like mainly the yeast infections. We see most of the girls having itching around that vaginal vulval area, and this itching is seen more during the night times. So all these can be avoided if you're using a good cotton fabric or cotton undergarments. Okay, so this is some of the queries that I wanted to clear out. If you have more doubts, you can log me on to that woman's doc. So till then, goodbye. We'll meet you next time for my next talk. Thank you.